hidden in plain sight beneath bark, soil, and shadow. Insects aren't just small, they're engineered. Engineered to control, to sacrifice, to destroy. Today, we're counting down the top 4 insects that feel like science fiction. And by the end of this list, you'll never look at bugs the same way again. Number 4, meet the emerald jewel wasp. This insect doesn't kill its prey. It turns it into a zombie. The wasp stings a cockroach twice, first to paralyze its front legs, then directly into its brain. The venom doesn't kill the roach. It shuts down its will to escape. The cockroach can still walk, but it won't run. The wasp then leads the roach by the antenna, like a leash, drags it into a burrow, and lays an egg inside its body. The roach stays alive as the larva eats it from the inside out. And that's just the teaser. Imagine what number 3 can do. Meet Colobopsis explodens, the ant that kills by dying. When threatened, this ant contracts its muscles so violently that its body ruptures. Its insides spray outward, a sticky, toxic chemical that glues enemies in place and kills them slowly. The ant dies instantly, but the colony survives. This isn't desperation, it's evolutionary programming. One body becomes a living landmine. And if insects are willing to explode for survival, number 2 takes things even further. This tiny beetle carries one of the most advanced weapons in nature. Inside its body are 2 harmless chemicals, stored in separate chambers. When threatened, it mixes them. The result? A violent chemical reaction that fires a boiling spray at nearly 100 degrees Celsius. The beetle can aim with precision, twist its abdomen, fire rapid bursts, hit predators directly in the face. It isn't venom. It's a controlled explosion engineered inside a living insect. Nature didn't design a defense. It built a biological weapon system. And if that sounds horrifying, number 1 is truly unrealistic. What if an insect could hide by wearing the bodies of its victims? This is the lacewing larva, also known as the trash bug. As it hunts small insects, it tears their empty shells apart and stacks the remains onto hooks on its back. A living camouflage cloak. To predators, it looks like trash until it moves. The larva strikes, then adds the new corpse to its armor. An insect that doesn't just hunt, it wears the evidence. And here's the terrifying truth. These aren't rare. These insects exist, whether we notice them or not. If you want to see what else evolution has built, like subscribe and hit the bell icon, because the next discovery might be even harder to forget.